add to a hot pan and heat the walnuts. On a low medium, heat for 2-3 minutes.
Remove from the heat and allow to cool a little. Remove the skins from the warm nuts. Add 10 tablespoons of honey to a pan, heat on a low temperature, stirring continuously for 8-10 minutes. Reduce the temperature to a very low heat and add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the honey and stir.
Add the chopped walnuts, continuously stir for 2-3 minutes.
სიკვდილამდე უნდა ვაკითხო, პარა. სანამ ცოცხალია.
აი. ძალიან კუთხეში მიწია და აქან მოგეძღვის ხელი.
What? The surface of a wooden chopping board and wipe off any excess water. Add some of the walnut honey mixture to the board.
Throw ar მიეკრას? ხო. That's a steak.
What? The surface of a wooden chopping board and wipe off any excess water. Add some of the walnut honey mixture to the board. Use the back of a wet spoon to flatten the mixture. Complete the flattening process with a rolling pin that has been dampened with water.
She's making it even. Should be spread evenly.
The flattening process with a rolling pin that has been dampened with water. Cut the Gozinaki into diagonal and then vertical strips.